What's up, family? We have another Patreon request. We got Best of Group B and Legend Rally Cars. Pure sound. Let's go. Let's see if we can find some more lunatics that want to die. And I don't mean the race car drivers. I mean the people in the crowd. Can't even see it. Did he do that on purpose? Because my man just lost a lot of time. Never mind. Looks like we still looking at crazy people who just want to die. They want to get ran over. What the hell is that? That car looks sick. Audi? Bro. You see this cat right here? Do you see this guy right here? Do you see this guy right here? What the fuck is wrong with him? Why are you there? Look. Just look how close. Crazy. Wow. You might have a little problem there. My man just took those turns perfectly. I gotta admit, look at this shit. What the hell is that? Yo, these cars are sick looking. But I gotta admit, what was the title? Pure sound? Pure sound. It does sound nice. That's a Renault? Une Renault? Look at that crowd. Just take one car to go out of control. Wow. Oh, he did that beautifully. Wow. That is... These cars are awesome. Best of Group B. Oh boy. Okay. Look at this view. Look at this view. I think I would say he's a professional driver. This track is insane. I was gonna say, yo, you wasted time. All right. The danger is just mind-blowing. For the fans, mostly. This is so cool. And the road is wet. Oh, shit, you in trouble now. Is that the downshift? You hear that? Is that downshift? Yo, that's crazy. Look at this beast. I just want to pause and just be like, just look at every car. Look at this beast, this little beast. Damn. It looks so damn good. These are some nice cars. Renault. I love my Renault. That's the same Renault, isn't it? That's hot. That's hot. That's hot. I mean, I don't want to brag, but I mean, I could do that. I could drive like that. I mean, it's no big deal. I mean, I could do that if I put my mind to it. I mean, it's not that hard. I mean, seriously. I mean, come on, child could do this. This is insane. Oh, how did they get so close? Oh, I want to, please stay here. This is what I want to see, because there's going to be an accident here, for sure. Ah, damn. I wanted to see what happens when they get too close together. The tires are like, please stop. You hear that? There go that sound again. But it's just that car. So is that one. Fucking pitch dark. Pitch dark. Now, did he do that on purpose or that was a mistake? Because clearly you just wasted time. That's a hot car too. I still love this car. This is still my favorite. Oh, damn. That's the end of that. I can watch that for all damn night long. That is so sick. Nobody has any fear in this damn sport, do they? The spectators don't have any fear. The drivers have no fear. It's just like, forgive my French, but this is called balls to the walls. You know what I mean? That's what it is. That's it. I mean, just pedal down and that's it. Oh man. I can't believe. Not that I want to see it, I really don't. But there's got to be a video out there. There's got to be a video out there, maybe on the dark web, where no one's supposed to see the video. There's got to be a video of a car just going dead ass right into the crowd, even flipping into the crowd. Oh, I know it. It's got to be. It's got to be out there. I don't even want to see it. I'm just saying. It's got to be out there because that's just too dangerous. That's insane. Especially, I mean, if I'm a spectator, you know where I'm going to watch these cars? On a straightaway. That's where I'll be. I'll be here. Just my head. Oh, look, here come a car. Straight ahead. Perfect. You will not catch me on a hairpin turn nowhere near that damn area. No curves. Hell no. Whew. Respect to those drivers. Respect to those cars. Respect to those lunatics they call spectators. Just all around respect. That is no joke. That is driving, people. That's what you call driving. Whew. Sick. Really. These are fun. Good stuff. Take care. Peace out. Have a good night. I'm wired now.